All right, so this is Brian. He had a very complicated situation with his shoulder, ended up undergoing a complex arthroscopic repair as well as some PRP to help it heal. And Brian, why don't you tell us your story here?
Story is, shoulder's been dislocating for at least 5 to 6 years. Going to the hospital, getting put it back in, just was killing me. The pain, everything. Went to numerous surgeons for years. No one wanted to touch my shoulder. Nobody. My doctor, one of my doctors, referred me to Dr. Eisenberg. Dr. Eisenberg said, "Hey, I'll try to fix it. I don't know if it's going to work. We can play." I said, "Let's play." Now, what is it? Not even 6 months later, my shoulder's amazing. Has not felt this good in, God, 20 years. Everything about it is just, I am so thankful and just feel like I have my life back. I really do. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I mean, I owe everything to Dr. Eisenberg for doing his surgery. I cannot thank him enough.
So you had an MRI back in, I think it was 2013.
Yeah, that was
that had a full rotator cuff tear then. So the dislocations must have started happening after the initial tearing, or maybe they were happening that long, but it's been more than 10 years.
It's been a lot.
That MRI.
I've been going through this for a very long time. I don't know if it was 2013, but it was a very long time. I know I've been to Cooper Hospital. I've been to so many surgeons, and everybody turned it down. Not one person wanted to touch the shoulder.
Yeah, and to be clear, part of that was not just because you had a shoulder dislocation. You had major injuries that the textbook says needs a shoulder replacement because you're so young. That's why they didn't want to touch
That's
it.
what every doctor told. That's what every doctor said. No, shoulder replacement, shoulder replacement, shoulder replacement. I'm only 49 years old.
Yeah.
I do not want a shoulder replacement at this age.
And you work hard.
And I work very hard. My job is very, very physical. I lift plenty of weight on both arms. Even the physical arm, I'm putting weight on it. The one that just got redone 6 months ago, I'm putting 50 pounds on my brace, holding it up. It is amazing. I'm in no pain. I am sleeping. I can do everything that I haven't been able to do in years.
Great.
As now. And it's only 6 months. Let's see what happens in another 6 months.
Yeah.
Let's see how much more I progress.
Yeah. And that you started feeling pretty good after those PRP treatments too.
Oh, PRP was amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I recommend anybody to get it. I don't think I would have healed as fast if I did not get them. PRP injections.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your story.
Thank you. You are the best. Like I said, you're my new best friend.
Appreciate it, Brian. Thank you.
No problem.